Definitely blew my expectations when it came to the quality. These glasses did not disappoint. They actually surprised me. And the goal wasn't perfection, but to be present in the moment. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to share with you my experience with the Meta glasses. I was gifted these from a client this past Christmas. I just hadn't gotten the chance to do a proper video on them, so they've been sitting in my office for a few months up until this past week where we had the chance to go to Guatemala for a family member's wedding, and I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to try these out in a real world setting, just me using them the way a content creator would. So setting up the MetaView glasses was pretty easy. All you had to do was download the MetaView app and then go through the instructions, and it will pair up with your phone. Pretty seamless. Just make sure that you have battery in the case. That was the only issue I ran into from them sitting too long and not being in use, that it didn't pair, but once I charged them, it was a smooth transition. So just FYI on that. So the real test came actually when we went to Guatemala. Instead of me having to carry my Sony a7S III and this huge gimbal, I carried three things with me. One was the phone, the second one was the Osmo Pocket 3, and the third was the Meta glasses. It was super convenient just being able to tap on the glasses and record the present moment. And the goal wasn't perfection, but to be present in the moment and still capture those great moments. So let's talk about the juicy part here, which is the pros and the cons. And guys, let me tell you, these glasses did not disappoint. They actually surprised me, if anything. Number one, footage quality. The Meta glasses shoot in 1080p, but honestly, it was better than I expected. Because of the quality that comes out of these, it's really convenient for your social media platforms, a day in the life, a first-person view. So definitely blew my expectations when it came to the quality of the image. Number two on the list is first-person perspective. Being able to not have a bulky camera in somebody's face, having to carry it, set it up on a tripod, spend all this time to capture that right angle for the moment that you're trying to live in was a breath of fresh air. So I can't explain to you guys how convenient it was to just press a button in the present moment and be able to capture everything as it was happening. That was a huge pro on my list. And number three on the list is the audio quality. This one took me by surprise for sure. As I was setting it up and then starting to play music on them, it almost felt like I had ear pods in without actually having ear pods in.
I'm enjoying these, especially after the quality of the audio and also the quality of the actual content. It's really impressive, man. I can't state that enough.
The quality of the sound was crisp, clear, and you could even hear a little bit of the bass. And the beautiful thing of the audio is you don't disrupt or disturb people around you, and you can still hear the music or sound thoroughly through the Meta glasses. So that was a big pro on the list as well. Number four on the list is the workflow simplicity. Being able to record the moment and then pressing the button again, allowing that footage to just be locked into the cloud. Once you open up the Meta app, you could literally just sync it right there anywhere you are, as long as you have your phone, some Bluetooth, and the glasses. And it was really fast on how quickly it would download to your phone. So you didn't need any SD cards, any wires, your laptop. So the workflow simplicity was a nice touch to the glasses. Number 5 on the list is the Meta integration. While wearing the glasses, you could ask, hey Meta, what am I looking at? Or what's the weather like today? You could ask it simple questions and it will give you the answers in the present moment. I still have yet to try it out some more because I've been using it more for the visuals and the video aspect of the glasses, but it was really cool to have that in hand when you don't want to whip out your phone and look at it and open up a bunch of apps just to get the answer that you want. The conveniency, yet again, is a pro. And number 6 on the list to tie into the Meta integration is the social audio feature. While wearing these glasses, you're able to request Meta to snap a picture and upload to your social media platform, and it will directly upload the moment that you are currently staring at. Hey Meta, snap a picture. Hey Meta, upload last picture to Instagram stories. And there you have it. There is the picture uploaded to the story. Crazy. And I thought that was cool because it takes the hassle out of taking out your phone, opening up the app yet again to record the moment, and then you're missing the moment because you're putting all these features on the phone to upload it. So no longer do you have to do that. You just ask, hey Meta, snap a shot of what I'm staring at right now and upload to the IG, and it will do that for you. The conveniency for these glasses, it blew my expectations. But with these pros also come the cons, which we're gonna go over right now. When it comes to the cons, I found that there was one particular con, which was the format of the resolution that it shoots in, which is 1440 by 1920 vertical, meaning it's kind of almost like a square format. If you try to edit a video that's horizontal landscape, you're gonna have the black bars on the sides, which can make it a little weird if you're trying to upload on YouTube or other platforms that only accept horizontal. So that's one thing to take into consideration. And then another one is the low light settings. Personally, I haven't experimented too much, but when I found myself in a low light setting, because there was lights around, it wasn't too bad, honestly, because we were at the wedding and on the dance floor and it was dark, and you could still see that it kept a high quality resolution when I was recording. This one I still have yet to play with. So these are the only 2 cons that I can think of from my personal experience. So what are my final thoughts on the Meta glasses? Should you buy them? Are they worth the $300? Well, from personal experience, if you are a business owner, a content creator, or just somebody on the go that's trying to capture life as it's happening, I would highly recommend the Meta glasses just because of the conveniency, the quality, and being able to just be hands-free when you're going through the journey. Now, are they going to replace the professional DSLR camera or the GoPro or the Osmo Pocket 3? Probably not. This is a tool to add to your arsenal so that you're able to be more creative and just capture that behind the scenes or point of view of your life. Now, my question to the viewers here is, have you heard of the Meta glasses? Are you thinking about purchasing them, or do you own them already? And if you do, what has been your experience with them? I would love to hear what's been happening in your world in the comment section. Till the next video, hopefully you got some value out of my perspective with them. Hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I can't wait to hear your comments. Until the next video, peace.